I don't mean no disrespect, but no way. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you wasn't game before, so now it's no way.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tamish J, and I thank you for tuning in. I want to show you guys how to do a natural brow. So for my beginners, I'm going to start with a little bit of brow mapping that's going to be really quick before I get into it, okay? So brow mapping is just lining up your brows correctly. And the correct way to do it is that people measure from the inside of our eye. Your brow shouldn't go further than here in the inside, okay? Corner of the eye. Okay, we don't need your brow here. To each their own, but that's not what I'm doing today, okay? Okay, so inside, boom, corner, from the corner of your nose to the peak of your brow right here. And then from the outside, we don't want to go further than here for the tail of your eyebrow, okay? So 1, 2, 3, all right? Boom, boom, boom. And that's what we're going to do today. So you see my brows, they're not much of a looker. No, I don't have much brows, and I need to get them waxed, or I can wax them myself, but honestly, I just cover them out. My hair is a little thin, but this is what we got today, okay? Let's just work with it. We're not going to get into that. But I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. This is the final look. Well, not the final look. I put a little lash on with it just to show you guys that you can rock a eyebrow and a lash, and we're gonna go to this in just a minute. All right,
so we're going to brush those brows out. Then we're going to underline the brow with the pencil of your choice, and then we're going to overline it, not going all the way to the front. You're going to make sure you hit all those points we talked about before. Then we're going to fill that in with little strokes. You know, the finer the point of the pencil, the more natural it will look. So I usually use like an Anastasia or Anastasia or like a Brow Benefit or some type of, or a Juvias Place Fine Tip pencil. So then you're going to brush it out with the spoon so that we don't have those harsh lines of indication, and it looks more natural, and you're going to focus on those front parts to get them smooth, okay? Then you're going to take your concealer. I usually put it on both sides of my angled brush, and I start filling lower than the brow line so we don't have a harsh line of product underneath the brow. And you can do the lower part with a lighter shade, like a highlight shade, and you can do the top part with a darker shade closer to your skin complexion. And now I'm just fixing them how I like. And I am able to somewhat cover my hair that I need to wax, because my hair is a little bit thinner. But you can also, before you do this step, sometimes I go back and I pluck those hairs. Now I'm just blending some of that out. And I'm just going to do the same with the other side. And I will try to get them as even as possible. Now, if you can get them perfect, that's great, but you want to make them sisters, not cousins, not distant relatives, but sisters as close as possible, okay, y'all? Now, I am doing this like as if I'm going to put makeup over top of mine, so, and I do have a little bit of a tan. So, y'all, please forgive me for this concealer color over top of my brows, but y'all see, I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so now I am blending, so that if you do put foundation on, you don't have like globs of concealer in spaces. You know, sometimes it'll cause your makeup to show up different colors if you have more concealer on one part than the other. I'm just blending that out. And be careful not to hit those lines of indication that make your brow crisp. And it's makeup, so if you mess up, you can fix it. That's the best part. So I'm just going back in and fixing some things I think look cleaner. And you would set this with powder, setting powder, okay? If you're just doing a brow and a lash, you would set that concealer with setting powder so it doesn't smudge or doesn't move during the day and it's not shiny. So now I'm going in with the lash, just for demonstration purposes. And I'm also going to put mascara on my brow. To me, it makes it more black, or you can use a product that keeps your brow in place. But I like the mascara. That's my thing. I think I learned that from Tyra Banks like a long time ago before they even came out with like brow products to keep it in place.
Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed today these brows, okay, because y'all seeing I don't really have any. Put lashes on for the sake of this video, because after this, you know, you can do your foundation and your eyeshadow, whatever you want to put on. I do hope you guys really enjoyed that. I can't wait to bring you guys more things. Let me know what you want to see down below. Let me know. I am watching, I am looking, I am taking suggestions. I want to give you guys what you want from me. That is, you know, everything. I just want to give you guys what you want. But I do have more videos coming. Please look out for it. Hit that bell if you want to get the notification. I'm going to try to get on a regular pattern. But until next time, beautiful people, just make sure you love yourself, okay?
Don't ask me for that, there's ice in the safe. Get ice if you check. I might flick my wrist, I might flip a stack. I might steal your chick and then give her back.